Today, students have to demonstrate that they know how to invent something to help the cricket to go through or across a pond. So there is the pond here, there's the pond, and the cricket is going to be here and cross from here to here. Okay, so starting now, go. Okay, so we see that Daisy is doing the path. Okay, this one is stuck. Este está parado. El de Benito está parado, no camina. El de Brian tampoco está caminando suficiente. Okay, pon el tuyo. Hey, make it work. Here. Cross this. Cross.
I can't.
You can. Okay. Okay, wonderful. Okay, this is trying to do it. Daisy is stuck here, and this one is not. So
Maestro, I made it. I slingshotted it.
Slingshot.
Yeah.
Okay, with a slingshot. Okay, that's a kind of a solution. Okay, Brian here. Okay.
It's moving a little bit. Bro, mine.
Okay. Why is not vibrating? Okay. Now, Benito, come in. Okay, you can. Wait. Okay, I'm going to bring mine.
Daisy's one is about to finish it, and she already did finish it. Aiden's is stuck. Brian's bridge is also stuck, and I'm here. And she's doing nothing. And Mr. Cabrera's
Okay,
bridge, here it comes.
that's my bridge here. That's the teacher. Yes, put it. Oh yeah, she almost got it.
Yeah, she already did. My
Okay, look mine. Okay, I'm going to put here, and I can use one. Who can? Okay, is working? Okay, so look, I'm going to put my here, and there he is.
It's kind of stuck. Ah, you're cheating,
Wait.
Maestro cheating.
Look. It's coming. It's going across.
How did you get the block?
You can use anything. I say you can use anything.
What's on the box?
Look. And it's going to the final point.
Se va a acabar ahí.
Yay! Muy bien. Un aplauso para el maestro. We got it. And students try and use different kind of materials. Yep. Okay, say bye.